Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to upload resume to LinkedIn. So, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in linkedin.com and log into LinkedIn using your user credentials. Now, in order to add your resume, simply click on your profile icon at the top right. Now, choose Settings and Privacy. You can also do this on your mobile phone. Just choose Settings and Privacy. Now, on this page, you'll have to choose Data Privacy option. Here, you'll get different options and settings. Just scroll down and navigate to the section that says Job Seeking Preferences. Here, click on Job Application Settings button and it will show up this page. Here, you will get the option to upload resume. Share resume data with recruiters. Simply turn this button to on, click on Upload Resume. Now, simply locate your resume on your device and click on Open. Now, this resume will be uploaded, must be a doc, docx or a PDF file. After uploading your resume, it will be visible to the recruiters if you turn this button on. If you turn this off, that will no longer show skills and experience from your saved resumes to all recruiters on LinkedIn. Click on Update Settings and it will be instantly removed. Now, if you want to remove this resume, click on this three-dotted icon and click on delete. If you want to download it, you can do that from here. You can click on delete and your resume will be removed, after which you can easily upload a new resume. So that is a simple way to upload resume on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.